Something else that we can explore too is this idea of what their midpoint is. Again, let's imagine that we have 2 points that we're able to map. We're going to map it on a rectangular system because it's one of the better systems that we have to use. And I want to find the midpoint between the point -8, -4, and the point 1 and -6. And really what midpoints are is they're averages. They're averages between the two distances. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can sum the x-coordinates, divide by 2, for its average, and sum the y-coordinates together and form its average. And that's our definition of what a midpoint is. So let's sum the averages of our x-coordinates. So I have a -8 plus a 1, divide that by 2. And then my y-coordinates are my sum of my y's. So a -4 plus a -6 divided by a 2. Whoops, sorry. I'm just putting parentheses all over the place. So -8 plus 1 gives me a -7. And a -7/2. That's my x-coordinate for the midpoint between these 2 points. And my y, -4 plus a -6 is a -10. -10 divided by a 2 is a -5. So the midpoint between those 2 points is at the point -7 and -5. And that looks roughly correct. -7/2, that's right between 3 and 4, correct? 1, 2, 3. So right there. And between 5 and 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And that looks like the midpoint between those 2 points, which has the address of -7/2 and -5.